Best 3 natural mouthwashes for fresh breath and oral health. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about something we all deal with, keeping our breath fresh and our mouths healthy. Now, I'm not a big fan of harsh chemicals, so I've been on the hunt for natural alternatives that actually work. And let me tell you, I found some real gems. So, whether you're looking for a more natural approach to oral hygiene or just curious about what's out there, stick around because I'm about to share the best 3 natural mouthwashes I've discovered that will leave your breath smelling amazing and your mouth feeling squeaky clean. Help us reach more people by liking and sharing this video. Subscribe for more health tips and tricks, and don't forget to comment, "Health is wealth," to let us know you're on board. Let's get started with the first tip. Natural mouthwash. Number 1. Coconut oil pulling. All right, first up, we have the age-old practice of coconut oil pulling. This might sound a little weird, but hear me out. You simply swish a tablespoon of virgin coconut oil in your mouth for 15-20 minutes, then spit it out and rinse well with warm water. Now, the science behind this is still being explored, but many people swear by it for its ability to detoxify the mouth, reduce bad breath, and even whiten teeth. Plus, coconut oil has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, which can be beneficial for overall oral health. Pro tip: don't swallow the coconut oil after pulling, as it can contain toxins removed from your mouth. Natural mouthwash number 2, green tea. Mouthwash. Next, we have green tea mouthwash. This is a fantastic option for those who love the taste of green tea and its amazing health benefits. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that can fight inflammation and bacteria in the mouth, leading to fresher breath and a healthier smile. To make your own green tea mouthwash, simply brew a cup of green tea, let it cool, and then swish it around in your mouth for about a minute. You can even add a little honey for sweetness or a few drops of peppermint essential oil for an extra refreshing kick. Natural mouthwash number 3, aloe vera mouthwash. Last but not least, we have aloe vera mouthwash. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and healing properties, which makes it a great choice for those with sensitive gums or mouth ulcers. It can also help reduce inflammation and fight bacteria, leaving your mouth feeling clean and refreshed. To make your own aloe vera mouthwash, mix equal parts aloe vera juice and water. You can also add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, like peppermint or tea tree oil, for extra flavor and benefits. So there you have it, folks. My top 3 natural mouthwashes for fresh breath and oral health. Remember, consistency is key here, so try incorporating these into your daily routine and see how your mouth feels. And hey, if you've tried any other natural mouthwashes that you love, leave a comment below and share them with the community. Let's all ditch the chemicals and embrace the power of nature for a healthier, happier smile. Like this video if you found these natural mouthwash tips helpful. Share this video with your friends and family who might be interested in natural alternatives for oral care. Subscribe to my channel for more healthy living tips and tricks. Leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite natural mouthwash is.